Welcome everybody, I'm Jonathan Malaver, and now I'm going to explain you the task 4 speaking assignment English B2 about the effects to technology on the environment. Some technological development has been helping to our environment. I can say electric transportation. In this case, we need to increase the use of that type of elements, or maybe if we enjoy together to do different things, we will help reduce the pollution. It will be amazing. Unfortunately, the impacts that have happened over the time demand more care for us as human beings in order to get a good environment conditions in order to prevent different types of disasters. I consider the impact of pollution as a real problem produced by the human beings over the world. It is correct to affirm that we know about it, but we don't do anything in order to change this situation. All this demand that as much our government as well as. It must be very important to do something about it due to the new technologies as means of transport. We can get an electric car or motorcycle in an easy way. That technology reduces the pollution. We can see, for example, Pereira in Colombia. But in this case, in this page, the information you can read about it. According to the Adobe in your park Casanare, there are not the same people like the capital to Colombia, Bogota, or Medellin, but the quantity of people has been increasing quickly. For that reason, it's very important to think about it if we didn't start something type of action. We will present a future problem in our area here in Japan. For that reason, I have decided to write this letter, but for me it is important to do something. It will be to account with electric taxes, and if it is possible, consider pay their batteries to recharge. In some occasions, something like bonus for keep this electric car or some electric transport. Other idea it would be to change all public transportation. It would be very good. Finally, and to finish, if you consider of this kind of ideas, you will help first of all to our planet, and the second one our city, ensuring to your citizens maintain a good air quality. The populations will be grateful, and this world has legacy to follow generations. Thank you so much for reading this letter and see that video and how present the content about it. It is important. The new technologies that are good for everyone and helpful environmentally talking. See you next time. Bye bye.